How to buy LingChat AI plans and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can purchase the LingChat AI plans. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, the links will be in the description below for the website, so make sure you check that out. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money online. So let's get into it. Now LingChat is basically a online AI translator, but you can also learn from it as well, like practice speaking with AI and real friends. So you can see you can go ahead and chat with them in different languages, practice your speech, everything. So pretty cool. And here, let's go ahead and click on all of the offers, and these are the options right here. So we've got two plans. I'm sure they have more than two plans. I don't see anywhere else, so I suppose this is it. This is the option we got. So we got two plans. We got the monthly and the annual plan, and it's going to cost $6.99 per month, and for the annual it's going to be $29.99 per year. So you can go ahead and select whichever option you want. And again, links will be in the description below. You'll also find some discount codes that you can apply to get an even cheaper offer as well. So let's say we want this one, or actually we'll first click on get started and see whether or not we can get away with the free version. And I'll here input my email address and then click on the button down below. And there we go. So now what I'll do is I'll download the app on my phone and we should be good to go. And I'll continue from there. All right, so we are now on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google, and we are now logged in, and it's as simple as that. Now we can just simply go ahead and select the language we want to learn. So let's say that I want to learn Arabic, all right? And then I'm beginner. I basically can't even, only able to engage in basic conversation. I can't even do that, but you know what? Let's just, actually, you know what? I'll go ahead and select English because, the only language I know other than my own. So we'll go with this one. Other languages, I don't think it has. Yeah, it doesn't have that. Yeah, it doesn't have that. So we're going to continue with English, and we'll go with advanced, and we'll just, James is going to be my foreign name, and I'll click on next and select your country. So now we're just simply going to select that and then click on the plan my study, and then we're good to go. So now we got a couple of options over here. So all right, so we'll just go ahead and select all plans. I don't want to go ahead and purchase any plan as of right now, so we'll just close that and see whether or not we can continue. There we go. We can continue with the free version. So we got Leo, Sophia, Anna, and Peppa. So we can go with any of these we want. We can go ahead and connect with humans over here. We can learn over here, and this is me section, and this is the chat section right here. So let's go with Sophia, and here we have some recommended topics that we can go ahead and discuss about or talk about. Then we got hot topics over here. Then we got the politics, businesses, technology. We can go ahead and select whichever one you want, right? So Antarctica undergoing abrupt changes threatening global climate. We could go with that one. The 2015 CMA Awards, Target cuts, Call of Duty, games, Trump reverse, whatever we want, right? So yeah, or we can just simply hit the free chat button and just chat for free, and it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, make sure to check the link in the description below and you should be good to go. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.